Hey guys, welcome back. Me Trideep and you are watching Vision of Trideep. So as you all know that the coming festival is Rath Yatra, and for this festival I made this idol of Lord Jagannath. To make this I used very simple and common materials like cardboard for this base, glittering paper, colored paper, thermocol balls, etc. This took 2 days to be completed and I tried to make this with simple methods. And this is my first video related to Lord Jagannath, and I also decided to upload more videos related to Lord Jagannath and Rath Yatra. So if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you are new in this channel, then subscribe. And you guys, please watch this video till the end and keep supporting me. Thank you. Finally, my work is completed and I am very satisfied with this work. How is it? Definitely comment below, and thanks for watching. and I shall meet you in my next video.